Okay, so this is my project. This is a game, but actually another functional game. This is a semi-functional game. It only works with screens, so there are some levels, but levels are not functional. The character does not move. There's on the screens. They're on the screens, and there are some results and boss fight screens, and prologue, epilogue, and other stuff like settings. It includes all the screens that the game should include itself. Okay, so starting with the starting screen. So yeah, this is the transition into main menu. So we're gonna start by playing the game. So there's no progress, so we can't play the continue. When we select level, there's no uh, there's no level. There's only this game. So we move back and play a new game. So this is the prologue and the text, another text, and the other text. I'm just clicking, and now this is the loading screen. There's a tip and level name and loading, and you know, and in this screen there exists some infos, the enemy, the basic infos, and the in-game infos. So uh, this is on the screen, it doesn't move. So we move on to the results screen now. So this is the results screen, and now we translate into, after the results screen, we should move on to level 2 loading screen. And yeah, this is the level 2. Again, it's a screen, and level 2 clear, and moving on to level 3, and level 3, another scene for level 3. Since we are on level 3, there are 3 bosses in the game. Then level 3, level 6, and level 9. Since we're in level 3, we need to have a boss fight after this scene. So this is another boss fight scene, and this is uh this is actually the cannon firing balls, and this is our laser tag or laser bullets hitting the giant mega cannon. And moving on, level clear and stuff. So since we defeated the boss, we get a life point. Um, so we move on to level 4. Okay, so there are some infos which are related to the rounded edges. And uh, let's say we want to pause the game. So we click this or press the escape button. And if we press the escape button again, it will work as a resume, clicking the resume button. And let's say I want to move into settings. I can select the audio, I can select the video, I can select the controls, and going back to the level. And let's say I want to get back to the level select. And yeah, we're on the mid-game progress now. So let's say we're gonna play the level 4 again, and we're on the same screen. And now we're gonna move back. Now we're gonna move into the level clear now. Okay, level 4 is clear. Let's move on to level 5. This is level 5, and the player is dashing right here. This is a dash effect, and there's the info. This is an inclined ground, so the player can fall off to that or jump and dash to save himself or herself. And moving on to results screen of the 5, and now we move on to level 6. Level 6 has a boss fight right here, and moving on, level is clear. Since we defeat the boss, we get a life point. And the next screen, so irregular shapes, different level design. Again, moving on. Uh, this is another one. Moving on again, and moving on to level 8. This is the level 8 mid game. Uh, this is the results screen. And moving on, this is the level 9, the final boss, final level. And so this is a final boss firing at us. And after defeating the boss, this is the final result screen. The screen changes because we move on to main character's layer, and we earn 2 life points because we earned more than 10k and we defeated the boss. So after that, we see the epilogue scene, and yeah, this is pretty much it. This is pretty much the game. Uh, so there we can see now the continue. Let's say we are on the mid game and press the continue button, and yeah, we're back onto level 4. So we move back to the main menu, and yes, we're on the main menu. So let's see the settings, and settings here, and getting back video settings. These buttons are clickable. Uh, so if I click another button, it doesn't change, but consider that it's changed. Again, right here, again, right here. Consider it changed. And these bars are not adjustable, but consider as they're adjustable. And these buttons are also can change, but consider that they can be adjustable. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you.